Yes, yes. That is my sister's phone ringing. It's probably Sergio. This Sergio. Let me tell you about him. My sister likes him, but I don't because one, he's ugly. Two, he's stupid. Three, he's stinky. So he's ugly, stupid, stinky. Ugly, stupid, stinky. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here because I must tell you that evil, yes, yes, really evil. And I have a plan you must complete. Yes, yes, you. You must kill the Batman. Because if the Batman lives, then my power will be destroyed. And we can't have that now, can we? So you must kill the Batman. And you must do it now. See me for more information and don't forget to destroy this video. Bye. Oh, and say hello to Mom.